Alright, so in this example, we're still going to talk about the pre-image, which is the old image. This is the old. This is the new. Alright, so I'm going to graph this shape, but first thing is you kind of want to look at the points. Are the points pretty much the same, or does one look bigger or smaller than the original? So when I look at the original, which is a pre-image, and I see A is 4 and 5, then I look at A from the image, the new, it's 12 and 15, so it got bigger. So that means that scale factor is going to be greater than 1. Now we can figure out the scale factor very easily. The scale factor is the new image over the old image, or the pre-image. And so we can just pick one of the points. I'm going to pick just the x value for A. And so that's 12 over 4, which is 3. So my scale factor is 3. So if I took 3 and multiplied to each of those, would I get if I multiplied 3 to each of the numbers in the pre-image, would I get the x and y values for the image? And yes, I would. And so it works out that way. So notice what I said. This is a 3, so my old image got bigger. So the new image, when we see it, when I graph the old and I graph the new, you'll see how big it got. Alright, so I'm going to go to the old, which is, I'm going to go ahead and graph this. 4, 5, so go up 4, go up 5. So it's there, that's A. And then 3, 7. There's B. And then C is, I'm going to enlarge this a little bit, it's 5, 7. There's C. Alright, I'm going to erase this a little bit. So this is A, and this is B, and if I connect this is what it looks like. Alright, so there's my shape. Alright, now I'm going to graph the new image, and we're going to look at it, see what it looks like. Alright, so it's 12, so it's 5, 10, this is 12 and 15, 5, 10, 15, so it goes right here. And then 9, 21, 9, 21 would be up here. I'm make sure I got 5, 10, 12, 5, 10, 15. I'm going to go ahead and erase this dilation thing just so we can see this a little better. Alright, there you go. So hopefully this will help. So that's A. Alright, then I'm going to go 9, 12. 9, 12 would be here. 21, I mean 9. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, and we don't even have enough room. I didn't plan it good enough, I guess. 5, 10, 15, 20, so 21 would be up here. And then the other would be 15 21s. So 5, 10, 15, 21 would be here. So the image looks something like this if I'd have drawn it correctly. I did terrible. And so this would be B and this would be C. And you can see the shapes gotten bigger. So if I show this, you can see the shape actually got bigger and it moved a little bit. Alright? So right there is a dilation. This shape here is much more bigger than the one you see below. It's 3 times as bigger.